So we're here at the ISA Sign Expo 2024 here in Orlando, Florida. And right now we are going to our booth. It's going to be the last day of the expo. Big companies as always. All the way back here. So we go to the main aisle, and from that point it was easy to get to us. Just continue all the way to the back to food court, and we were right there at the left corner. So we were not on the front, but we were on where you can get good stuff, huh? How about that? So really a big expo as always, and we have been enjoying it so far. It's a good experience for us. It's good business. We meet a lot of people, a lot of fans that live here in Florida, or they just fly by, that watch our videos on YouTube, on all of that. We are glad that we have the chance to meet them right here at the expo. And there's Fiery. There's our good friend Kevin for the CalLink, DTF Factory, and all of that. Big companies. Cars with the wraps. You got here cutters. You got Roland there, Mimaki, and this is the map. So we are coming from here all the way. So we're going to continue all the way to the back, and then when we see the hub, right there on the left side, Kingdom DTF, and then the good stuff. And like I mentioned before, the food court. So let's have a good show today. And I appreciate everyone, guys, that have been watching our videos, tutorials, and all of that, and follow us for these many years, and all your support. So we're talking about gang sheet on a 24 print. Look at that. Gang sheet, baby. In the 8, we got the Night A1 all one system. This one right here.
Like, what would this
Hi.
saying if we use it for a lot?
Here we got more samples. Glitter pressed on a black shirt. Really nice for this summer. Cool, right? Super busy with the traffic, a lot of people, but it's what it is. It's a good show. For tomorrow, we're coming back tomorrow, and then the Friday it's going to be 3 days, and we're going to be here. So if you're from Orlando, Kissimmee, Central Florida, and come by and say hi. All right. So see you guys.